Okay, so we just got into our room, but we're here. I'm gonna do this quick because Caitlin's waiting on me. So here's the bathroom. And the toilets. And we got some waters, coffee maker, fridge. Let me get the closet here. Closet, we got safe. We got some drawers. We just got our luggage brought in. So here's the room. I'm pretty pleased with the room. I didn't know what to expect. I mean, I did do a little bit of research, but sometimes it's fun to be surprised. You can see all our stuff everywhere. The TV's in there. How's it going? Oh, there's some cabanas down there. I'm gonna go call right now. And reserve a cabana.